Two referendums are being held on March 8th. But do you know what you're voting on? One is being referred to as the Care Amendment and is focused on two sections of Article 41 of the Constitution relating to the position of women in the home. Firstly, that the woman's life in the home supports the common good, and secondly, that the state should endeavour to make sure that work doesn't interfere with her duties in the home. The proposal is to replace both of these with a new article, one that instead focuses on the importance to society of care provided by family members. You also have the Family Amendment, and this would tweak two separate sections of Article 41. One outlines the important constitutional position of family in society. The proposed amendment would add a line clarifying that family can be founded on both marriage and other durable relationships. The other section would have a line removed relating to family being founded on marriage. On the day of the vote, there will be two separate ballot papers. The Family Amendment will be listed as the 39th Amendment and is on white paper. The Care Amendment will be listed as the 40th Amendment and is on green paper. Mark your vote by putting an X in either the yes or no box on each ballot paper. But before you do that, follow our coverage of the referendums over on the Journal to make sure you're fully informed.